So, here's what I want you to do for your workshop. I want you, if you're a producer or songwriter, to write or produce a track using chord inversions, triad inversions. And here's a quick one. I'm going to show you an example of how to do this. Now, remember in our last workshop, we learned the 12 bar blues, which was the 1, 4, and 5 chord. But we were playing those all in root position because the C chord, the C was in the bass, the F chord, the F was in the bass, and the G chord, the G was in the bass. But we can play the F chord or the 4 chord like this, and we can play the 5 chord like this. Because look, that's the 5 chord if I drop that an octave, and that's the 4 chord if I raise that an octave. So learn this right here. That right there is the 1 chord. That right there is the 4 chord. That right there is the 5 chord. So if you'd like, you could probably go and play a 12 bar blues with the inversions to make smoother chord changes. So this is the 1 chord. This is the 4 chord. That's the 5 chord. And that's the 1 chord. Likewise down here, this would be the 5 chord and the 1 chord and the 4 chord. You'll learn those after a while. If that's like really too advanced for you, don't worry about it. Right now we're learning just how to spell the 7 triads, and I'm teaching you 3 hand positions. You don't right now have to know every chord you're playing. Just learn to use these 3 hand positions on the white keys, and you will always be playing in one of the triads. If you're in C major, you'll be playing one of the 7 triads, one of the inversions.